we are back for reaction points. We took the week off last week and broke out the winter woolies, and we're now back trading this spicy price action. So today's theme is don't fight this train right here. Okay, huge reversals. This is on the heels of a huge reversal on Friday. Let's go back and recap last Friday what happened. We had about a 100-point reversal here. So what happened here from the transition from Europe to New York? Notice that everything was very negative here. It started sliding, topped out in Europe, matching the Asia highs. Everything pointing lower here. You got the VWAP, the 200-day, all pointing lower. We did sweep the Euro lows there. We got a couple of potential scalp opportunities. Then we continued to slide and didn't really have anything much to the downside to look at other than a couple of key daily trade machine levels. Then we ripped higher from 66 double nickel, closing up here at 67 double nickel, a 100-point range there. Very brutal if you're trying to fade that trade. Now, we've got some tools in our toolbox that prevent us from trying to fade these markets that are ripping higher and giving some folks an unpleasant face pill. Now, coming into Monday's session, we ripped higher here, gapped open on Asia, continued to drift higher, sideways for a bit, went higher into Europe, and then we had an initial push here in the at the open, the New York Open, sweeping the high, sweeping out the 3-week prior close, as you can see right here. We fell from 68.35 all the way down to 67.95. Where did we reverse? Right there at the Euro lows. Let me change that color back to blue. So came down back to midnight open, Euro lows. We have divergent signals coming in. We have 3S code signals coming in as well. And then our algos also flip positive. This is not a market that you want to try and fade anymore unless you start getting some structural shifts. The only pause we've had since bottoming here in the morning time was a retest back to the New York Open, back to the VWAP. Ever since that, we have been onwards and upwards. Now we are at 68.50, about 60 points off of its low. So very interesting indeed. If you look at the higher time frames, that narrative, the 1 hour, 4 hour daily, we've got a lot of more room to capture to the upside after we had a red week last week. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments, feedback. And if you'd like more info on this set of strategies, hit me up, support@t2markets.com, and we'll see you on the next update.